today's topic for the class 11th is carbocations. Now, students, you have studied in the previous topic the bond fission, and there you studied the homolytic fission and the formation of free radicals, and you also studied the heterolytic fission. And heterolytic fission, there you studied that the fragment, one of the fragment was carbocation was formed. So today we are going to in detail study the carbocations in detail. Now carbocation, if we see in 1920, it is 1920, 1920, 1930. These two scientists in these between these years, it was scientists, for example, it was Hans Mervin. Scientist was Hans Mervin. The study on the carbocations was carried between these years 1920 से 1930 तक by the scientist Hans Mervin. He's the modern. This scientist is known as father of modern carbonium chemistry. Modern carbonium chemistry. नंबर सेकंड साइंटिस्ट, जो दूसरा साइंटिस्ट था, उसका नाम था क्रिस्टोफर इनगोल्ड. तीसरा साइंटिस्ट इट वाज फ्रैंक व्हाइटमोर. By the work of these three scientists, carbocations were accepted, or they were accepted as the reaction intermediates, organic reaction intermediates. It was due to the work of these three scientists, carbocations were accepted as the organic reaction intermediates. Now, we will study what the carbocation is. I will write here. I will go to the previous topic again. You know, heterolytic fission. In heterolytic fission, if there is a covalent bond between the two atoms having different electronegativity, now unsymmetrical fission takes place. What happens? One of the leaving group takes away the electrons, gets negatively charged, and leaves none on the other, and this gets positively charged. Now, if this positive charge is carbon, then we can define carbocation an organic species. Having trivalent carbon. जैसा आपको 1, 2 and 3 valency trivalent carbon, and bearing positive charge. Surrounded by 6 sets of electrons. Is known as carbocation. An organic species having trivalent carbon, जैसे यहाँ पर मैंने आपको दिखाया, and bearing positive charge है, and surrounded by 6 sets of electrons. Now you saw there are 2 electrons, covalent 1, covalent 1, 3. There are 6 sets of electrons. So this positively charged carbon is known as carbocation. Now carbocation can be classified as primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, and tertiary carbocation. We can classify these carbocations according to the number of, according to the carbon bearing the positive charge. For example, we can classify them: primary carbocation, number second, secondary carbocation, number third, tertiary. Carbocation. This classification is based on the nature of carbon. I will repeat it. This classification is based on nature of carbon carrying positive charge. Carrying positive charge. For example, I will write here yet carbon here. Carbon carrying positive charge is attached to 3 alkyl groups. So this is tertiary carbocation. Similarly, carbon having positive charge is attached to 2 carbon atoms. This is secondary carbocation. And similarly, this one, this is the primary carbocation. So these are classified into the primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, and tertiary carbocation. That classification depends upon the nature of carbon carrying the positive charge. So this is the tertiary, this is the secondary, and this one ethyl carbocation, this is the primary carbocation. Now, how they are named? How we can name these carbocations? Students, they are named. Carbocations को अगर हमें नाम करना है carbocation, you have to add word first carbocation, add करना है add word carbocation to the parent alkyl group. For example, आपके पास इथाइल ग्रुप है और इस इथाइल ग्रुप पर आपका कार्बन पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, सो वी कैन नेम इट इथाइल कार्बोकैटायन. Or we can add word carbonium. We can add word carbonium to the parent alkyl group. For example, आपका this is the isopropyl का ग्रुप. अब कार्बन पर यहां पर आइसो ग्रुप पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, सो वी कैन राइट इट इज आइसोप्रोपाइल कार्बोनियम आयन. आइसोप्रोपाइल carbonium ion. We can write the name this. We can write, हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, सीधा सुफिक्स ऐड करें IUM to alkyl group. Carrying the positive charge, उस alkyl group को हम IU में लगाएंगे. For example, मैं फिर दिखा रहा हूं, this is the so this is isopropylium ion. Iso PROPYLIUM. So IUM मैंने fix ऐड किया, isopropylium ion. This is the naming. I will repeat it. First, you can name by adding word carbocation to the parent alkyl group. So it is CH3CH2. यहाँ पर मैंने एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज दिखाई. So we can write the name ethyl carbocation. या दूसरे तरीके से we can add alkyl group को हम क्या करें, सीधा कार्बोनियम लगाएंगे, फिर आयन लगाएंगे. इसका मतलब है ये तो आइसोप्रोपाइल कार्बोकेटाइन है. इसका दूसरा नाम हो सकता है आइसोप्रोपाइल कार्बोनियम आयन. तीसरे हिसाब से सीधा सुफिक्स लगाएंगे टू द अल्काइल ग्रुप, तो हमें बन गया ये तो आइसोप्रोपाइल कार्बोकेटाइन का तीसरा नाम हम लिखेंगे, इट इज आइसोप्रोपाइलियम आयन या इथिलियम आयन. जैसे हम फॉर एग्जांपल